Welcome to CloverCure. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of a remarkable plant that has shown the potential to reverse aging skin. As we age, our skin undergoes various changes from fine lines and wrinkles to loss of elasticity and radiance. But what if I told you that nature has provided us with a solution that could help rejuvenate our skin and restore that youthful glow? In this video, we'll explore a natural remedy that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, gaining popularity in modern skincare routines. This plant is not just another trend, it's a powerful ally in the quest for youthful skin. We'll discuss its unique properties, how it works at a cellular level, and the best ways to incorporate it into your daily regimen. So stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this unbelievable plant and how it can transform your skincare routine. As we delve into the fascinating world of aging skin, it's essential to understand the biological processes that contribute to this natural phenomenon. One of the key players in maintaining youthful skin is collagen, a protein that provides structure and support. Collagen works hand in hand with elastin, another vital protein that gives skin its elasticity and firmness. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen and elastin, leading to sagging skin, wrinkles, and a loss of that youthful bounce we all desire. Another significant factor in skin aging is oxidative stress. This occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including skin cells, leading to premature aging. Environmental factors such as UV radiation, pollution, and even stress can increase the production of free radicals, exacerbating the aging process. Understanding oxidative stress is crucial because it highlights the importance of protecting our skin from these harmful agents. Fortunately, nature offers a wealth of remedies that can help combat these aging factors. Many natural ingredients are rich in antioxidants, which can neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. For instance, plant extracts like green tea, vitamin C-rich fruits, and oils such as argan and jojoba are known for their skin rejuvenating properties. These ingredients not only help boost collagen production, but also enhance skin hydration and elasticity, though none are more uniquely beneficial to skin health than aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera has been a staple in skincare for centuries, celebrated for its ability to hydrate, heal, and rejuvenate the skin. This succulent plant is commonly used in a variety of skincare products, from moisturizers and serums to masks and gels, making it a versatile addition to any beauty routine. What makes aloe vera truly remarkable are its active compounds, which play a crucial role in promoting youthful skin. One of the key components is aloe, a natural compound that has been shown to enhance collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Additionally, aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and protect the skin from environmental damage. The plant also contains polysaccharides, which help to retain moisture and promote skin healing, making it an excellent choice for those looking to restore their skin's natural glow. Historically, aloe vera has held significant cultural importance in various wellness traditions. Ancient Egyptians referred to it as the plant of immortality, using it not only for skincare but also for its medicinal properties. It was often included in beauty rituals of queens and was even found in the tombs of pharaohs, highlighting its revered status in ancient cultures. In traditional Chinese medicine, aloe vera has been used for centuries to treat a range of ailments, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness. Incorporating aloe vera into your skincare routine can be a transformative experience. With its rich history and powerful active compounds, this unbelievable plant offers a natural solution for those seeking to reverse the signs of aging and embrace a more youthful complexion. Incorporating aloe vera into your skincare routine is both simple and rewarding. This versatile plant can be used in various ways to enhance your skin's health and appearance. Here are some easy recipes and methods to help you get started on your journey to youthful skin. One of the simplest ways to use aloe vera is to apply the fresh gel directly from the leaf. To do this, cut an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the clear gel inside. You can apply this gel directly to your face as a moisturizer or soothing treatment after sun exposure. For an added boost, Mix the aloe vera gel with a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil, which can enhance its soothing properties and provide additional benefits for your skin. Another great method is to create an aloe vera face mask. Combine 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for about 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask not only hydrates but also helps brighten your complexion and combat signs of aging. While aloe vera is generally safe for most skin types, it's always a good idea to perform a patch test before using it extensively. Apply a small amount of the gel to a discrete area of your skin and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. Additionally, if you have sensitive skin, consider diluting the gel with water or mixing it with other soothing ingredients like yogurt. We encourage you to experiment with aloe vera in your own skincare routine. Whether you use it as a standalone treatment or mix it with other natural ingredients, you'll likely discover the unique benefits it can offer. Embrace the power of this incredible plant and enjoy the journey to healthier, more youthful skin. As we explore the incredible benefits of aloe vera for reversing aging skin, it's worthwhile to hear real-life success stories from individuals who have incorporated this remarkable plant into their skincare routines. Many users have shared their transformative experiences, showcasing the effectiveness and accessibility of aloe vera for all skin types. One compelling testimonial comes from Sarah, a 52-year-old woman who struggled with dry, aging skin for years. After incorporating fresh aloe vera gel into her daily routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her skin's hydration and elasticity. Sarah shared before and after photos that vividly illustrate her journey. In her before photo, her skin appeared dull and lined, but just a few weeks later, her after photo revealed a radiant, plump complexion. Sarah expressed her satisfaction, stating, "I never thought something so simple could make such a difference. Aloe vera has become my go-to skincare secret." Another inspiring case is that of Mark, a 45-year-old man who faced issues with sun damage and uneven skin tone. After using an aloe vera and honey face mask twice a week, he reported a noticeable reduction in dark spots and improved skin texture. Mark's enthusiasm was palpable as he shared, "I love how easy it is to use aloe vera. It's not just for women, it's for everyone. I feel more confident in my skin now." These testimonials highlight the accessibility of aloe vera as a natural remedy. It's easy to find, whether you grow it at home or purchase it from a store. Users from various backgrounds have discovered that incorporating aloe vera into their skincare routines is not only effective but also affordable. The success stories of individuals like Sarah and Mark serve as a testament to the power of this unbelievable plant. With consistent use, aloe vera can help anyone achieve healthier, more youthful skin, proving that nature often holds the best solutions for our skincare needs. We hope you to consider adding aloe vera to your skincare routine. Its accessibility and effectiveness make it a fantastic option for anyone looking to improve their skin health, regardless of age or skin type. Remember, the journey to healthier skin can be simple and natural, and aloe vera is here to help you every step of the way. We invite you to explore related content on our channel or website. You'll find a treasure trove of tips, recipes, and success stories that can further enhance your skincare journey. Whether you're looking for more natural remedies, skincare routines, or wellness advice, we've got you covered. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on skincare, health, and wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from discovering the wonders of aloe vera. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for our community. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to see how you incorporate aloe vera into your life and can't wait to hear about your experiences.